So Sherry Torkos, of course, is a holistic pharmacist, and we talked already about the wet hair, how you don't get sick over that.
That's right.
It's about kind of some prevention and also to help boost. What were some of the items that you told us about?
Yeah, so we were talking about things that can help speed healing, shorten duration, some natural remedies. This Echinoforce, the hot drink, gave you a taste of that. Echinacea elderberry helps shorten duration, speed healing, reduce those symptoms. The Sambucol, this is a black elderberry extract. Excellent for congestion, sneezing, runny nose, cough. Also great for kids 4 and above, and they're little mini melts. So you just pop those in your mouth.
Yeah, we know elderberry is a superfood.
Oh, superfood, absolutely.
And another superfood is peppers.
Yeah, peppers,
and of course
citrus.
Strawberry and kiwi.
Yeah.
And they're way better than oranges.
That's right. You get more vitamin C per serving. So think beyond the citrus when it comes to vitamin C. Complement your dietary intake with supplements if necessary. And remember, vitamin D, that sunshine vitamin, we need it for immune system support as well.
And most of us have a vitamin D deficiency.
We do, 100%, well, almost 100% of us do. So
Right.
very difficult to get enough through sun.
Nature's beauty. This is the only insect that produces food. The bee honey is fantastic.
That's right. And the only food that never expires.
Yeah, exactly.
I love that. And honey is great for a cough. If you have a dry, hacking cough, you don't have to spend a lot on a cough syrup in a pharmacy. Just grab some nice honey, have a teaspoon of honey. You can add it to a hot lemon drink as well. Honey's great for a cough, and it also helps to soothe a sore throat.
Makes things taste good, too.
It makes things taste good, absolutely.
Yeah.
And for sore throats as well. So this is a sore throat spray. It's echinacea, peppermint, and sage. You can see with that nozzle, you just aim it to the back of the throat. And for a lot of people, that's where it starts when they're feeling sick. They get that tickle in the back of their throat. This helps to numb the pain. It's antiviral, antibacterial. You can find that in pharmacies and health food stores.
Chicken soup for the soul, or is it for a cold?
It does actually help. There is some preliminary evidence that was done at University of Nebraska showing that chicken soup does in fact speed healing. It helps to mobilize your neutrophils, which are a type of white blood cell. It helps to get the mucus moving, and it also provides the body with good nutrition. And let's face it, when you're sick, chicken soup does make you feel better.
And I guess the other part too is really just getting some sleep.
That's right. A good sleep, reduce your stress levels as well. And if you are really sick, don't come to work and spread the germs. Stay home for a day or two, get yourself in better shape, and then get back to work.
And for more information, of course, you can go to sherrytorkos.com. We'll have that right on our website as well. I hope everybody here has a healthy day. And if you're not feeling so good today, get better. We're here for you. Right?
That's good.
Yeah.